The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro delivers amazing sound quality, but if you feel the volume is too low or the audio isn't quite cutting it, kinda gives poor sound, well, in this video we'll show you how to boost the volume on your Galaxy earbuds so you can get the most out of your listening experience. First of all, let me make sure that you've already checked the device volume and turned that up. But that didn't help. So let's check out another thing. If you're using the buds for quite a while outside during workout, so make sure the ear tips, the audio channel, the mesh isn't blocked with earwax, sweat, or dust. Now talking of ear tips, make sure it's installed on your buds properly. For the next part, you need to redirect yourself to the wearable app where the buds are connected to. Open the app, go to your Galaxy Buds profile, scroll down, enter sound quality and effects, to equalizer. Now what I'm going to show you will instantly max out your earbud volume, so just keep the volume of your device in control. All you have to do is just slide all these pointers upwards till the end of each channel. This will be set as your custom equalizer. Now this might not be the best sound settings, but it's enough to boost your earbuds volume to a profound level. Hope now you're happy with the volume of your Galaxy earbuds. Thanks for watching.